Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of January 16th, 2018. The charts that are provided in this presentation are given to us by the Trade Navigator software from Gettess. And we're looking at a bond market chart here. This is a weekly chart of bonds. And boy, you could make the case that this is a big sideways pattern going back for several months. And this week in particular, we were kind of expecting to see them maybe go down and test the 149 area. So they had a pretty good breakdown last week, but they have opened higher and possibly potentially held the 150.12 area here. That could be really significant because this kind of looks like a double bottom for the sideways pattern, and if they've tested the bottom of the sideways, the next step normally is to test the top of it. And I think that just means here in the mid 154 level, but obviously they've got a ways to go to get there. And first of all, they'll have to get through the 150-120 area here, which is the middle moving average on our chart. And if they can get moving beyond that, the next target is up here around 152.24. Now, doesn't mean they can't go back down to 149, and it doesn't mean they can't break it and go even lower. But so far, this is rather positive, and of course, this really only represents one day. We've only had Tuesday this week because Monday was a holiday. So, impressive so far. Kind of looks like they want to try to test back up here. Stocks, well, again, I'll mention that's just one day. That's only Tuesday. I mean, you look at the size of that range, and we've had some big ranges recently, but if you go back in time, that's bigger than a lot of weeks we've had in the last few months. This has been quite a day, and it's a reversal day. I mean, they were all the way up here. Well, I won't call this resistance, but the target we had this week is around 2807, and they've already been there. And they got rejected off of that pretty doggone hard and broke down really hard. Now, many of the commentators on TV are all excited about this. Oh, it's a key reversal, big deal, it's a fun stuff. Look, the support this week to continue the trend up is here at the upper moving average here, which is, well, let's call it 2744. You can see they haven't come anywhere near that. They are well above any kind of support. So sure, this could mean something. I mean, if we go down to our indicator at the bottom here, the momentum indicator, this is a lower high than back here 4 weeks ago. So that could indicate a lessening of momentum. They could break back down. And like I've been saying, the last swing high they broke out of here is down below 2600. So they could break all the way back down there, and it would actually look just like a normal bull move. But don't kill the market just yet. This is a little too much strength to just assume that it's ending suddenly. But it could. If they don't hold the 2744 area, man, we've got 2720 and 2693, and there's all kinds of other areas that could hold them. But that's the problem with trying to buy them up here because the move has been so strong. Again, back down to 2600 would still look good. So where are you wrong? That's pretty tough to control the risk trying to find a spot for them to hold here. But I will say the strength of this market is too strong to just, assume the first down move you see means it's game over. I would not assume that. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself.